Welcome to Vibrant Gardens. Are you a busy gardener looking to maximize your garden's productivity without sacrificing precious time and energy? Look no further. Today, we're counting down the top 5 plants for a low-maintenance garden. These hardy plants are perfect for gardeners who want to enjoy a beautiful and thriving garden without the hassle of constant care and attention. Let's get started. Plant number 5, succulents. Succulents are the ultimate low-maintenance plant. They store water in their leaves, stems, or roots, making them drought-tolerant and able to survive with infrequent watering. Plus, they come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, adding visual interest to your garden. Plant number 4, creeping thyme. Creeping thyme is a fragrant, spreading ground cover that requires minimal care. It tolerates foot traffic, drought, and poor soil, making it perfect for areas where other plants might not thrive. Plus, it's a great addition to your kitchen herb garden. Plant number 3, hostas. Hostas are shade-loving plants that are virtually maintenance-free. They grow quickly, require minimal watering and fertilization, and can even handle neglect. Plus, their large leaves provide a beautiful, lush backdrop for your garden. Plant number 2, sedums. Sedums are another succulent-type plant that thrives in poor soil and dry conditions. They grow tall and wide, providing a stunning display of color and texture in your garden. And they require almost no care. Plant number 1, Russian sage. Russian sage is a shrubby perennial that tolerates drought, poor soil, and extreme temperatures. It requires minimal pruning and care, yet produces beautiful, delicate blooms all summer long. It's the perfect addition to any low-maintenance garden. Outrow. And there you have it, the top 5 plants for a low-maintenance garden. These hardy plants will add beauty and interest to your garden without sacrificing your precious time. Thanks for watching Vibrant Gardens. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more gardening tips and tutorials.